Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Junk Journal with me. It's been long since I journaled, so I have got random documentations to go in today. First, to break the journaling, I am sticking a vintage pattern paper that I found on Google Images. I just printed it on a drawing paper. Then I have this junk envelope folded in half. To cover the wordings on it, I am gluing down a pattern paper which again I got from Google. I stuck it on the other page with a glue stick. The envelope has a beautiful memory, that's why I am including it in my journal. And yes, I guess this pattern paper is called Ethnic Indian Pattern. You can Google it. I do have pattern papers brought from Amazon and other shops, but sometimes I just print it myself at home. I also print vintage pattern paper and vintage elements from the website flickr.com. I'll leave the link in the description. You'll get some non copyrighted images for commercial and personal use. Then I'm gluing down a fabric strip on the top as a belly band. This is a leftover fabric from a special gift I made for a very special person. I used normal white glue and also I am going to staple it down. Next, I have this maroon marble design piece of paper. This is from flickr.com. I am sticking a picture of a project I made on top of the pattern paper and I stuck it down inside the envelope. Then I have a couple of pictures. The first picture you saw is my hand. I painted my nails after so long, so I took a picture of it. I know it's weird, but just a reminder of self-love. And also a picture of Ikigai book that I recently bought on sale. This book was highly recommended and I can't wait to read it. I am currently going to finish off with the book The Painter of Signs by R.K. Narayan. Then I stuck down another pattern paper to fill the white blank space on the envelope. This pattern paper is again from Google Images. You just have to type fabric printable or red pattern paper printable. So you will eventually get some pictures like that and you can print it out on a normal copy paper or a drawing paper like I did. Then I stuck down a couple more pictures of the events happened on a weekend. Next, with the remaining piece of vintage pattern paper, I made a pocket to tuck in some random bits and pieces of ideas or projects that I jotted down on papers. I used double-sided tape to make it as a pocket. I'll leave the purchase link in the description box. Also added a label sticker on top of the pocket. Then I stuck down another ethnic Indian pattern paper on the back page. I did a very interactive and creative spread on that page using some junk papers and cardstock. You can watch the 2 minutes journaling on that page on IGTV on my Instagram account Madhu Inspires. Find the link in the description. Then I took a small piece of old notebook or packaging cover and I stuck it down next to the pictures so that I get some writing space. The round design paper which you saw was actually a vintage plate design which I got from flickr.com. I used those as illustrated doilies to journal or as a background for photos. I stuck down a vintage label. Then I tucked in the vintage plate design on the fabric belly band. This is an embroidered fabric printout which I glued it on top of the envelope. Before that, I inked the edges with brown pigment ink pad. Then I added some washi tape and tucked in a vintage ruled paper inside the envelope pocket to journal down. Then I pulled out some vintage stickers and label and stuck down on the spread like so. I journaled down off camera, and this is the final spread. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and also follow my Instagram page where I post quick journaling DIYs and art videos. You can also check out my other videos on junk journaling and DIYs. And very soon I'll be posting a video on how to make handmade junk journal. So stay tuned and bye.